After successfully completing week 4 of my Data Analyst Internship at LogicStack, I built a complete SQL and Power BI funnel analysis project using real-world business data. I imported the dataset into SQLite, wrote SQL queries to analyze revenue, user behavior, conversions, and business performance. I transformed raw data into an interactive Power BI dashboard featuring KPI cards, funnel analysis, revenue insights, and visual business intelligence. This project was developed using SQLite, SQL DB browser for SQLite, Microsoft Power BI, and modern data analytics techniques. The project helped identify customer funnel performance, revenue trends, user engagement, and provided actionable business insights. Week 4 successfully completed. Thank you, LogicStack, for this incredible learning experience. More data analytics projects coming soon.